Welcome to today's video, where we bring you a stylish and trendy collection of women's footwear that perfectly blends comfort and fashion. If you are someone who loves to stay updated with the latest design, or you're searching for that one perfect pair to complement your outfits, then this showcase is just for you. Get ready to explore elegant flats, chic sandals, and unique styles that will keep you looking fashionable every day. Let's begin with our first pair, these bold green quilted flats. The highlight of this design is a large golden chain detail right at the center, giving it a glamorous and luxurious appeal. The quilted pattern makes the sole soft and comfortable, while the bright green color adds a refreshing pop to any outfit. Whether you're wearing jeans, a casual dress, or even traditional attire, these sandals will instantly make you stand out. Moving on to something minimal and chic, we have these pastel pink slides. They feature a clean, sleek strap with a shiny silver buckle for a modern finish. The design is simple yet elegant, which makes it versatile for both casual and semi formal looks. They are perfect for women who prefer subtle tones but still want a touch of sophistication in their footwear. Next in our collection are the beige quilted flats with golden accents. These sandals are designed for effortless style and everyday comfort. The quilted straps not only look classy but also provide extra cushioning for a snug fit. The touch of gold on the corners gives them a polished and stylish vibe. These are a wardrobe essential because they can be paired with so many different colors and outfits. Now let's take a look at something a little more glamorous. The black flats with a sparkling square buckle. These are designed to add instant elegance to your evening wear. The glossy buckle detail shines beautifully under the light, making them perfect for parties, dinners, or festive gatherings. They combine comfort with style, so you don't have to compromise while looking your best. For those who love strong and bold fashion, here we have brown leather style strappy flats with golden buckles. The multiple straps give them a unique statement making look, while the warm brown shades adds richness and depth. These sandals are not only fashionable but also sturdy and durable, making them a great option for daily wear while keeping your style intact. On the softer side of fashion, here are navy blue strappy sandals. The delicate strap crossed elegantly, offering both support and a graceful touch. Their flat sole makes them comfortable to wear all day long, whether you're at work, shopping, or simply hanging out with friends. These sandals are perfect for women who like subtle colors with an elegant design. For a trendy and casual option, check out the baby blue quilted slides with a rope knot detail on top. These sandals are unique and youthful, giving off relaxed and cozy vibes. The light blue color is refreshing and adds charm to simple outfit. They are great for daily use, vacations, or anytime you want to keep things comfortable yet stylish. And to finish this beautiful collection, we have pastel pink sandals with braided straps. The braids are woven in metallic and neutral shades, creating a chic and fashionable look. These sandals are feminine, versatile, and perfect for casual outings, brunches, or even semi formal gatherings. The soft pastel tone makes them easy to style with a variety of outfits. As you can see, each design in this collection has its own personality and charm. From bold and colorful choices to soft and elegant ones. These footwear styles are designed to fit every mood and occasion. Whether you want to make a strong statement, keep things simple and classy, or enjoy a relaxed everyday style. There are a pair here for you. Thank you so much for staying with us through this footwear showcase. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fashion updates, style inspirations, and new collections. Stay stylish, stay confident, and well, see you in the next video.